Hey, I'm going to talk to you guys about saving on fuel while you're driving. Driving techniques where you can get better fuel economy just by monitoring certain things. One of which is mass airflow counts. See the mass airflow counts? The less you push the gas, the less the mouth counts are. The more you push the gas, as you can see, the mouth counts get bigger. So you monitor your mouth counts while you're driving on the SCTX4 Tuner, and that's one way of getting better fuel economy. Another thing you monitor, RPMs. More RPMs, more fuel is burned. Another thing, throttle position. More throttle, more RPMs, more throttle position, more math counts. And then also monitor the gas miles per gallon right there. You monitor all those things together while you're driving, and that will improve your fuel economy. We're on the road. And throttle position, my throttle position is light right now. I'm at about 30 miles an hour. And at 30 miles an hour, I'm at about under 1,200 RPMs. My max counts are 322. So if I want to get better fuel economy, I can let off the gas just a little bit and get my max counts to 200 or less. You can monitor your math counts, your RPMs, and you can feel your throttle position with your foot and monitor yourself. And you can see little by little, I reset the gas gauge a little bit ago, and the fuel economy is the average on the reading right here, the average fuel economy. And as you can see, it's going to get higher and higher because I'm monitoring my math counts and my RPMs, and I'm controlling the throttle position with my foot. So as you can see, I got my math counts about around the 270 range, which is pretty low math count. And little by little, fuel economy on the gauge is increasing. Another thing I can do if I'm on a straightaway, you can put on your cruise control. And cruise control on a straightaway gives better gas mileage. See the max counts are lower. They're in the 300s. And right now we're going up a little hill, so it jumps into the 400s. So that's how you can tell your fuel economy is getting lower and the max counts go higher. When you go up a hill or when you start at a stoplight, your mass counts are higher because you're accelerating or you're pushing your gas to go up a hill. So anything other than a straight drive with light throttle, you're burning more fuel. Less throttle, less RPMs, less mass counts, you get a less throttle position, you get better fuel economy. Right now I've got my mass counts on a straightaway. I'm going to accelerate a little bit. As you accelerate, the mass counts go higher. I'm pushing the gas, mass counts go higher. And fuel economy starts to drop. more mass counts, less fuel economy. So, I hope this video helped you guys learn a few techniques on how to get better fuel economy by monitoring your gauges. I highly recommend getting an SCTX4 Tuner so you can monitor all these great gauges and save a lot of money, because it's going to change the way you drive, because you're driving and monitoring your gauges, and you're going to get better fuel economy. And this is a Ford Expedition. These are not known for good fuel economy. So, hope you like this video.